Say it.
Hi, second grade.
Hi, second grade. Today, Evie and I are baking, and what are we gonna make?
Brownies.
Brownies are gonna help us with our math lesson about partitioning rectangles, but we're actually gonna be partitioning squares, which is totally fine. So first, Evie and I need to make the brownies. Are you ready, Evie, to make brownies? All right, we're gonna get started.
Chocolate.
Yeah, some chocolate brownies. Hello, second grade. Evie, can you tell second grade what's ready?
Brownie.
Our brownie is ready, and Evie's really excited because she's got her milk. And what goes perfect with milk, Evie? What goes perfect with milk?
Brownies.
Brownies, but we have to partition it first. Now, partition is just a fancy name for cutting something up, to divide it into equal parts. So, Evie, do we need to cut these up? We certainly do. So, I'm going to use the knife because I'm the mama. And that's the safe part. So if you're a kid, don't do it yourself. Ask for help at home.
Baby.
You're not a baby. You're my big girl. Who's my baby?
You tell me baby.
I do call you baby sometimes. You're right, but that's because I love you. So I'm going to use the knife to partition and cut these into smaller size squares. And they all need to be equal because would it be fair if I got a really big piece and you got a little piece? No, that wouldn't be fair. We need to have the same size pieces. One for me, one for you, one for Dad, and one for Lala, Livy, Lou. So we're going to make sure we have them all cut up. Now, when we cut them up... No, I got the knife. No, you do call her Lala. You're right. So when I cut it up, I'm going to be using a knife, and we're going to cut into rows and columns. Rows go straight across. Columns go up and down. When I think of columns, I like to think about homes. Sometimes front porches will have big columns holding up the second story of the house. Rows go straight across, like you're sitting in rows at school on the carpet or standing in rows waiting to come in from outside. So let's start by cutting it into equal rows first. All right, you ready? I'm gonna do a row going straight across, and I'm gonna go straight in the middle. Okay, and we'll show everybody after we're done. So we're gonna partition it first. All right, now, whoops. Oh, we're good. Okay, I could have cooked a little bit longer. That's all right. Now we have right here 2 parts so far. 2 parts. That is 1 row. No, pick up your row yet, girlfriend. Eager beaver. All right, now I'm going to do it again. I got to make sure all my rows are equal. So let's see how many rows. I'm going to do another one right here. Mr. Olmstead just walked in. His kids at home could probably hear him, huh? My brownie's flying apart, huh? Another row. And then I got to do another one over here. Probably should let them cook a little more, huh, Mr. Olmstead? But they came out clean. Oops. All right, so right now, Abby, we have rows, don't we? How many rows? They're all equal rows. Let's count them together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. But now we need our columns. Columns go up and down. So let's start with an equal column in the middle. And then we're going to count how many pieces we have all together. Remember, moms and dads do this part. We're doing 1, 2, 3. Okay, so now I have 1 column in the middle, and that means I have equal parts here. So now I divide in the middle. A bigger one. Thank you, Mr. Olmstead. Okay, careful. Abby, this is a big knife. You gotta be very careful. Okay, monkey. We'll do another one. I'm gonna partition here again. Okay.
It's
You're gonna have squares.
Scary.
It is a little scary. That's why is mommy with the knife a little scary? So I'm cutting our brownies. Okay. So then our friends at home can all see it. All right, now.
I need to put pinkies.
Yeah, I know. Okay.
I want to put pink on it too.
Yeah, there we go. Okay, let's put this over here. Now we'll show our friends our brownies. Okay, we're almost ready. So, we partitioned. We've cut it up. Now, if you look closely, here we have our rows. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 rows. Rows go straight across. Now we cut it into columns, equal columns. Let's count the columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, and columns go up and down like columns on a house holding up the second floor. She really wants her brownies right now, huh? Now, when I did that, I have equal parts now. So let's count. I have 4 rows and 4 columns. That leaves us with, let's count together, Abby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 equal parts. That's 4 groups of 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 16. So now we have 16. So that means 4 for you, 4 for mommy, 4 for daddy, and 4 for Livy Lou? Or all for Evie?
Mama, Tata.
Okay, we're going to share. Good. Now, Evie, you can pick out your brownie because you've been dying to have your brownie. So which partition piece are you going to take? That one? All right, Evie's got her brownie, a choice to go with her milk. So say thank you, second grade, for letting...
Bye.
So hopefully, and Daddy wants one too. He's over here on the side. Mr. Olmstead wants one. Which one does he want? So hopefully our friend... This one. Okay. So hopefully, at home, you'll know that partitioning means to separate things into equal parts, into rows, straight across, and columns, up and down. So today, your assignment is you're going to get a big pan of brownies. It's a make-believe one. It's an imaginary one. And you have to partition it into equal parts. So think about how would you partition that brownie at home. You could even do this with mom and dad. You can bake your own brownies. But again, you have to do it with mom and dad. Right, Evie? Yeah. All right. And now, go enjoy your brownies and say... Bye-bye, second grade!
Bye.